You can hear my beagles barking. I'm not far from the house. There's a train come by yesterday and I heard some coyotes howl. Then I walked in the bottoms with a pup messing with it and had a coyote come out on the power line. So I was walking in today and a train went by and I heard a group howl just back, well, in front of the camera there. And I just run over here and sat down. I could hear it coming when I played Cottontail Distress. You can see the call sitting right there. I don't know. You can't see the side by side, but it's not far behind me. So I'm gonna go pick this up and look at it, and then we'll go from there. Alright, like I said, I seen a coyote, heard a coyote yesterday in this set of bottoms. Then this evening I was coming out to hunt them and a train went by and I actually answered the train, so I don't know, I could see the side by side about 50 yards through the woods. They probably wasn't 100 yards behind me, and one sequence flew eastern cottontail on the foxborough. I could hear them. Well, I could hear this one coming through the woods. Then she stopped, so I started it back. When she crossed the road behind me, I shot her with the 410 hand-loaded number 4 TSS and a Kicks Smoke 8 choke. So she flopped a little bit, but she didn't run off. So now I get to go feed my dog, so maybe they'll shut up. Thanks for watching.